In this lesson, we look at multiple fits. You have multiple fits when you need several value propositions for your business model to succeed. The first example we're going to look at is when you have a multi-sided platform model. The illustration here would be Airbnb, the website that connects travelers from all around the world with people who want to rent out their flats or their house for a couple of days all around the world. So basically, Airbnb targets travelers who want to stay at a place, so they need to find a place on the website, and they need a value proposition for them, and they target people who want to rent out their homes and who want to put that ad on the website. So they need a value proposition to them as well. And Airbnb can only function or can only succeed when they have a great value proposition to both. That's multiple fits in a multi-sided platform. A second type of multiple fit happens when you work with intermediaries, meaning you're selling through intermediaries. The illustration we're going to look at here is Haier, the Chinese company that makes home appliances. So they sell to consumers and they have a clear value proposition to consumers with their different home appliances. But in order to succeed, they need to access these consumers. So basically they sell through retail. So they need a clear value proposition to the retailers, and that value proposition will get the retailers to stock Haier's home appliances in their retail outlets. So in this case, Haier also needs to have multiple value propositions. So in this case, which is different from the first one, we also need to have two value propositions. Haier needs a clear value proposition to consumers, and they need a clear value proposition to their direct customers, the retailers. They need to have both in order to succeed. A third example of multiple fit happens when you're a business selling to other businesses. When you have a value proposition to a company, you're probably not just selling to a company. You're actually selling to that organization, but more concretely, you're selling to different stakeholders within that organization. So that organization can be decomposed into different stakeholders for whom you'll have different value propositions. So when you're in B2B, you need multiple fits. You need a fit with end users, influencers, recommenders, economic buyers, decision makers, and maybe even the saboteurs who could undermine a purchasing decision. Lessons learned. A business model may require several value propositions to succeed. This is what we call multiple fits. Multiple fits exist in various different situations, like multi-sided platforms, intermediary models, or in business to business. Class dismissed.